Well, hello, I'm Brian Hartzer, the Chief Executive of the Westpac Group. We're incredibly proud to be one of the founding banks of the Principles for Responsible Banking and excited to be part of such a historic day for the banking sector globally. What started as 30 banks developing the principles has now grown to more than 100 members. That's 100 companies from the banking sector coming together from around the world to support the Paris Climate Agreement and Sustainable Development Goals, commitments that sit at the heart of Westpac's sustainability strategy. Signing up to the principles is another way of demonstrating that we're serious about our role in shaping and financing a sustainable future and making a positive contribution to society. It's an opportunity for the banking sector to work together on the things that matter most and the things that we can influence through our financing decisions. We're looking forward to sharing our insights with and learning from banks around the world as we work together to create positive social, economic, and environmental impacts for the benefits of all. Thank you and have a great day.